With BuckyDrop, every order ships. Door to door from China to over 200 countries and regions. No freight forwarder needed. And when you're ready to scale, you can stock inventory in our warehouse. And the first 30 days of storage is free. Because cross-border shipping usually means this: comparing freight forwarders, guessing which route is reliable, negotiating rates for every country you sell to. And every time a customer asks, "Where's my package?" you're the one chasing answers. BuckyDrop puts shipping and warehousing under one roof, and it's been our job since 2018. We work with major international logistics companies with over 30 routes to choose from. Each parcel gets matched to the right route for your product and destination. And before anything ships, you can check the cost and delivery time yourself with our shipping calculator. Selling steadily. Stock your best sellers, even your custom packaging, in our warehouses in Huizhou and Hong Kong, over 60,000 square meters in total. Every beginner gets 30 days of free storage. Then orders ship straight from stock. Faster delivery, no waiting on suppliers. Every parcel is professionally packed, tracked end to end, and the tracking syncs back to your store automatically. So shipping stops being your daily headache and starts being your selling point. BuckyDrop, warehousing and worldwide shipping from China, all in one place. Start free and get $15 credit. Link below.